Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to pay on Amazon with your gift card on a smartphone. I'm using the Android app here. First of all, if you've got multiple Amazon gift cards, I would suggest redeeming them into your Amazon account and adding them to your gift card balance. You can check these tutorials. You'll find the link in the description section or the end of this video. So I'm logged into my Amazon account on the mobile app. And I'm on the product page of the Samsung LED monitor that I'm going to purchase. Let me scroll down. I'll click on Add to Cart to add it to my shopping cart. And the item has been added to my cart. It's asking me if I want to buy a protection plan. I'll click No Thanks. And as you can see, it's been added to my shopping cart. So I went ahead and added 4 more items to my shopping cart. And these are the additional items I added. I'll click on Proceed to Checkout, and it'll bring me to this checkout page. In step 1, you need to choose a shipping address. I have already entered my address, so I'll choose this one. And then I'll click on Deliver to this address. In step 2, you need to choose a payment method. In my case, it automatically detected that I have a gift card balance, so it applied it. So just make sure that this is the case in your case. Now, if this is the first time you're buying on Amazon, you may need to enter your debit or credit card details. Amazon will not charge your debit or credit card if you've got enough money in your gift card balance. Next, check your order summary, and then click Place Your Order. In this final step, it will provide you the list of all of your items and the respective delivery dates. If everything looks good, click on Place Your Order, and you'll get a confirmation. You'll also get a confirmation email with all the details of your order. But that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.